My name's Claire and I've struggled with organization my whole life, you know, but I'm trying to get on it. Basically what I'm doing, I'm gonna tell you guys how I stay organized. So what I do is I use this website called Google Keep. I have a couple of different checklists. One of them is a daily checklist. I call it a good girl checklist. I just try and check off as many things as I can on this checklist so I can feel like a good girl. So that encourages me to do things like floss, take my medication, put on lotion, clean my room every day, work on long-term assignments. And then if I fill up like half the list, I get like decently happy Kirby. If I fill up most of the list, I get a really happy Kirby. If I fill up the entire list, I got like a crazy happy Kirby, which I haven't got yet. But I'll show you. So this is the good girl checklist. So this was a good day. This was an okay day. This was good, and this was good. And usually I would think, oh, I don't have to do these things. But now I'm like, it'd be pretty easy just to floss, and then I could get another check on my checklist, and then I feel I'm more encouraged to do it. Or like, I never clean my room, but now I'm like, well, it's a pretty easy way just to get an extra check, you know, bump my way up there, and then I do it. The other thing I have is long-term lists. So these are long-term lists for each part of the month, and these are things that are mainly for like academic things or internships. And I put fun images and I make them fun colors and I have a nice time. Here are my long-term assignments for each month, and then I have them pinned, and then I always like can keep them in mind. This is pretty cool, and then it's like built into the checklist that like I do these long-term assignments. So like if I do a long-term assignment, I can check it off. So I always want to do a long-term assignment so that I can check it off and get a really happy Kirby. And basically, this is like a pretty happy Kirby, but like the most happiest Kirby is like this guy, and I really want it, but I cannot wake up before 11 a.m., but it's okay.